Welcome to KTV India. I'm your host Ranjitha Revanna. Tamil Nadu BJP chief Nayanar Nagendran on Monday expressed regret over his derogatory remark that dragged actor Trisha Krishnan into an attack on actor turned politician Vijay. Nagendran, 65, said that comment was made by mistake shortly after Trisha called him out in a strongly worded statement. This was a statement made by mistake. Our All India Women's Wing chief Vanati Srinivasan and Annamalai has spoken to me about this matter. If anyone has been hurt by my statement, I express my heartfelt regrets, the Tamil Nadu BJP president said. The apology comes a day after Nagendran triggered a political row by suggesting that Vijay should come out of Trisha's out to gain experience and succeed in politics. The comment was made while responding to Vijay's hesitation that his party would emerge as a key challenger in the upcoming assembly elections. Poor man is completely inexperienced. First, he needs to come out of his house, come out of Trisha's house first, then something can happen, he had said and laughing. Trisha, through her legal advisor, had condemned the comment and asserted her political neutrality. My client never expected that such a distasteful and inappropriate remark would be made by a person holding an high stature in the state's politics space. The statement said, adding that she wished to be defined only by her work and that her name should not be dragged into matters unrelated to her. The remark also drew sharp reaction from several political leaders who termed it inappropriate and accused the BJP of making personal attacks. Leaders of the ruling DMK alleged that such comments reflected a lack of respect for women. While the Congress also questioned why the actor's name was being brought into political discourse. Despite initially standing by his words and refusing to withdraw them, Nagendran on Monday said he regretted that statement if it had hurt anyone.